any tool this is. If we go down, this is the 12mm slot tool that we're now using. So if you cursor along, you'll see this, the DL and the DR. So the DL is the adjustment for the length, and the DR is the adjustment for the radius. So if in there now, I'll put in there -0.1 and then that, okay, that will now take another 0.1 off the job when I go around it. So if we machine it again, you'll see that show
the
up.
DR.
Yeah, radius, and the L is the length. So if that length, don't forget you face mill the top of that. So if you then mill that step and that step was wrong, you would adjust the length of that tool to make it roll.
Yeah.
You wouldn't alter the Z depth because that's correct. That is what you want.